Hey guys, it's Anissa. So I'm finally back. It's literally been like 9 months since I filmed a video, so I'm feel kind of weird right now. I actually this is like really weird for me right now. But I missed you guys so much. I missed filming, I missed making videos, I missed talking to you guys in the comments, and I'm so happy I'm finally back recording. So for my first video back, I decided I want to do a little life update video. I was just gonna hop right back in and do my regular videos, but I felt like that was kind of weird since I was gone for so long. I was gone, I wasn't just doing nothing. I had a lot on my plate. I'm gonna update you guys with my life, my hair, what I've been doing with my hair, what I've been doing in my life, so all that good stuff. I did have a little Q&A that I did on my Instagram a while ago, so I'm gonna answer some of those questions. So yeah, sorry I've been gone for so long, but I'm finally back. 2023 is going to be a good year and a more consistent year than last year for me. So yeah, just go ahead, keep on watching if you would like to see my little life update / hair update. All right, let's get into the video. So let's talk about where I've been, what I've been doing, why was I gone for so long. Some of you guys did go over to my Instagram and DM me and comment on my stuff, like asking if I was okay, asking where I've been, and I responded to pretty much I think all of you guys. I felt really bad, but it was my last year of college pretty much, and I really wanted to try to get my GPA up because throughout the pandemic my grades were not the best and my GPA suffered for that. So I was really trying to focus on school, get as good as grades I can so I can bring my GPA up before I finish school. And drum roll please, I finished. I don't have my exact GPA yet just because the final grades haven't been input into our system, but I definitely got way better grades than the previous semester. Yes, I did finish college with my bachelor's in communication and a minor in philosophy and marketing. I don't exactly know what I want to do with it yet, but I'm just happy I'm done with college, so I can say I'm a college graduate. I'll insert some of my graduation pictures here. I actually was gonna film a get ready with me for my graduation pictures, but that day was just way too hectic. So yeah, I did want to share some pictures with you guys though. If you do follow me on Instagram, you guys saw me post that. So that was one of the biggest things that I wanted to take a break from doing YouTube for. I also do have a job, you guys know, so I was working pretty much full-time all summer because we were short-staffed. So working full-time, going to school. I did go to summer school. I had 2 classes during summer, so that was a lot too. And yeah, that's pretty much what I've been trying to focus on, and I achieved that, so I'm really proud of myself. Okay, and for the hair side of things, I did start bleaching my hair myself again. I was going to one of my hairstylists here in my city. I love her, but I just wanted to I don't know, I just kind of miss doing my hair myself. I've been doing my hair myself since I've been blonde pretty much, so I started bleaching my hair myself again. I think it came out pretty good. I did get another trim. My hair is a little shorter now, but listen, 2023, we're gonna get it back down to, we're gonna say, the under boob. I can't lift up, but we're gonna say I'm trying to get my hair back down to my under boob. So that's a good chunk of hair to grow back, but you know what? I think I can do it, and I'm gonna do it with you guys. So let's do it. What else? I did straighten my hair, you guys. I haven't straightened my hair in 5-6 years, since junior year of high school. So I straightened my hair from my 23rd birthday, which just passed. My birthday is on December 20th, so I just turned 23. Feels kind of old, but I'm just grateful and blessed to be able to be 23 and make it to this age. There's some pictures for my birthday and my hair straightened. I was gonna film this video too, but you know what? I was kind of scared because I haven't straightened my hair in so long, and I didn't know if it was going to turn out good or not. I haven't straightened my hair since it's been blonde, so I decided to just do it without filming. So next time I straighten my hair, I know what the outcome is going to look like, and I'll be more comfortable filming it, if that makes sense. But it actually came out really good. I tried a new method of straightening, and it literally, my hair looked so good. It lasted almost 2 weeks. It was getting kind of oily, and I just was kind of over it, so that's why I washed my hair, but it could have gone way longer than that. But yeah, as you guys can see, it looks really good. It wasn't poofy, it wasn't frizzy. It looked really good, especially for me doing my own highlights. My highlights didn't look too crazy, which is what I was afraid of. So yeah, that is definitely going to be a video coming, not soon because I can't be straightening my hair that often, but that's something you can be looking forward to see this next year because I will be straightening my hair this year again. But yeah, that's pretty much all of my hair. And then I did, when it was straight, I did trim it a little bit. Not too much, I just like the little dead ends. So yeah, give you guys a little spin. Oh, a chair hit the counter. Oh, I don't want to get up. Hopefully you guys can like see the back. Oh, I think I have to get up. Hold on. Okay, this is pretty much what my hair is looking like right now. As you guys can see, looks pretty healthy. So yeah, it looks really good, healthy. You guys, I really missed you guys so much. Like, you don't even understand how excited I am to be filming again. I literally, like, everyone, my friends, my family were like, Anissa, where are your videos at? Like, I feel so bad, but I really, like, school was my main priority, and now that I'm done, I'm gonna have way more free time to trying out new hair tools, trying out new hair products, and testing hair colors on my hair, and also wanting to start doing, like, I want to get more, like, box braids and braids. Not me personally doing it anymore, but going to get them done and like just videos like that. So if you have any video recommendations that you want to see from me this year, comment them down below and I'm more than happy to do them. Yeah, just, or anything you want to comment down below, just let me know, any suggestions. I don't know, just anything. I really miss talking to you guys. Now on to the Q&A questions that I asked on my Instagram a while ago. I will have my Instagram on the screen and linked down below, or not linked, but down below in the bio if you guys don't already follow me on Instagram. So I did post a lot of hair content and haven't anymore, or haven't in a while just because I took a break, but let's see if I can find them. So the number one asked question was basically, when am I gonna make videos again? Now we're making them. So yeah, sorry about that, guys. I felt so bad, and like the fact that like people are still subscribing even though I didn't post for months. I don't know, I felt so bad, like, ugh. But I'm back now, don't worry. I'm not going anywhere. Someone asked me what's my favorite color. My favorite color is green. It always has been green. I feel like this light is too bright. Is that better? I hope that's better. My favorite color is green. I love green. It's just always my favorite color. It just makes me happy. I love to look at green. I love wearing green. I don't know. I feel like it's just a very peaceful color. Someone asked me what school I graduated from. I graduated from California State University, Fresno, or better known as Fresno State. We actually just won the football Jimmy Kimmel Bowl, so that's like, it's been on the news and stuff. If you guys don't watch football, probably haven't heard of it, but yeah, I go to Fresno State, and I graduated in 2022. I actually did have to take an extra semester just because I said my grades weren't that good throughout the pandemic, so, but still the same graduation year, I guess. So I'm happy about that. Someone asked if I would go back dark, like dye my hair back dark to my natural color. My natural color is like literally very dark. Wow. Time to do my roots again, but I would go back to my natural color. I like me with dark hair. I feel like blonde is just more my vibe right now. It's really fun. It's really, not that I'm saying dark hair is not fun, but it's like blonde just gives me like a different mindset, I guess. And like, it's just very me right now. It fits the phase of my life. I'm very like, now that I'm done with school, don't really have anything holding me back besides my job, but I can get a new job, but very like carefree, like fun. I don't know, that's just like the vibes I'm feeling right now. Someone asked if I would do a big chop. I did do a big chop on myself. Eek. It didn't turn out good. That video will be on the corner. That's one of my most watched videos because I know it looked bad, but yeah, I wouldn't do another one unless my hair was like completely damaged, like I'm trying to grow my hair back. It was pretty long, like in 2021, I would say, like beginning in 2021, but I just been like cutting it a lot, so, but at least it's healthy. And when I straightened my hair, I was really happy to see that my hair was as damaged as I thought it was. Someone asked if I'm going to start making TikTok videos, and I would love to start making TikTok videos. I wasn't really like, not active. I wasn't really on TikTok at all. Like, not only was I not making content on there, I just wasn't on there. I don't know, I couldn't get into it, but now like I love TikTok and pretty much know the trends. I'm following up with everything, so I do want to start making TikTok videos this year. If you have any, or actually my TikTok's private right now, but I'll have my TikTok down below too. I'll make it unprivate, I'll make it public so you guys can follow me. I'm actually supposed to go to Disneyland And I'm planning on making like my first like vlog TikTok when I'm there. So yeah, if you guys want to follow that, it'll be in the description box. Like I said, I've never really made a vlog TikTok or anything, so I'm like kind of scared. Am I planning on getting a job right since I graduated school? I was already applying and I actually got a lot of responses, but I was actually applying a little too early, so that was a thing. But I haven't applied since I finished, just because I don't know if I want to start working a full-time job already. Like, I kind of want to I don't know, take a little break, take a breather. I was just in school since I was 4 years old without any break, so I think I deserve a little break. I still have a job, obviously, but like it's not like a full-time job or anything. So I think I want to like just focus on YouTube and my part-time job right now, and just taking a breather, relaxing, getting more into reading. I have so many books I want to read. I'm not behind on reading because it's not really like a due date, but I just feel like there's so many books I want to read. I have more time to do that, so I'm really happy with that. And I want to travel a lot this year, which I will be vlogging. I have like 2 trips already like solidified that I'm going on, but one, I think I want to take 3. I'm gonna try to take 3 this year, but for sure 2. So you guys stay tuned for that. What am I most proud of? Well, right now I can say I'm most proud of finishing school. I'd also say I'm most proud of like I think I'm most proud of just being a very positive person. I have a pretty positive outlook on life. I'm a pretty glass half full type person, and like any situation I try to see the best in it. And even for like me taking a break on YouTube, I felt like since I was still getting subscribers, like I really did feel bad that I wasn't posting, but like it just shows like people still like my content, still like my videos, even though I wasn't being active. So that's just also motivated me to get back on here and to just start connecting with you guys and making content for you guys. So those are pretty much all the questions I'm going to answer. If you guys have any more questions, you can go ahead, leave them down below, or you can go to my Instagram and just like DM me or comment on there. So yeah, I've said like a million times already, like I'm so happy to be back with you guys and just talk to you guys and make videos, and I have a lot of videos coming, so stay tuned for that. 2023 is going to be a good year. I feel it in my bones. I feel it's going to be a good year for everyone, so I'm just really excited and happy about that. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for staying subscribed, and I don't even know if some of you guys noticed I took a break, but I did. But thank you guys for everyone that stuck around, for everyone that's DM'd me, checked up on me. I'm still here and we're still making content. I love you all, and I cannot wait for the rest of this year. So thank you guys all for watching. If you haven't already, go ahead, subscribe, like this video, and like I said, leave a comment. If you want to comment, leave it down below. Alright, I'll see you guys in my next video.